Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Nana's Farmhouse. I wanted to show you some beautiful fall handmade items that we have currently in our store from so many of the talented artists across the country. So many beautiful candles that we have. I'm just going to walk it here. We have some of our candles here from Robin. She hand makes all of these great scents. We have some of our signs. This one is from Priscilla, that's all handmade. On top there we have a box made from Ken, and below we have our Sea Yankee, the Witch and the Frankenstein. Here is a beautiful Luminaire pumpkin candle, and behind it is a beautiful cats made from Helen. We do carry the Yuani candles. They are really pretty. As you can see here, they have the black on the bottom of the candle wick that makes them look real. They're just very, very pretty. Down here we have some of our bittersweet, our handmade pumpkins, and we also are carrying the taper candles from Vicky. These can be changed out in different colors. This one has the barnwood sconce, but you just pull out the taper. It runs on a AA battery, and you can change these out. So here is two of the different candles. You can get it in terracotta or cinnamon, and you can change the bases. So if you've purchased these candles before, you can change the bases, or you can use a different candle with the base you have. And they also provide a remote if you would like to purchase that. So hopefully you can check these out on our website or come in and see us this week. We look forward to seeing you. But if you have any questions, reach out to us at 314-846-6262, or you can email us at info@nanasfarmhouse.com. Thank you.